Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the Java Runtime Environment Module DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. Before we begin the manual steps for Java Runtime Environment Module, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Java Runtime Environment Module, a non-standard naming convention for the Java runtime environment found in localized wrappers or modded launchers. It handles the redirected calls to the physical JRE. Because it shares a name with core structures, its absence prevents the app from initializing its Java-based logic tree. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. A standard troubleshooting step is to perform a fresh install of Java JRE execution Shim. Head to Microsoft's official site, download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables, and run the setup files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Java Runtime Environment Module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. If you're attempting to install Java Runtime Environment Module DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Java Runtime Environment Module. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Java Runtime Environment Module working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.